This is my recipe today. I'm juicing one lemon, a little bit of ginger, and pineapple. I'm quite in a hurry. I literally don't have time to put out the juicer. So if you don't have a juicer, this is an option for you. I'm using my lovely, my amazing Ninja blender that's been working with me. So if you want to see how I make this delicious drink. Okay, so very important. You need a strainer and a bowl after you blend your juice. So I forgot to show that part. You need my faithful pasta jars. And this is for my taster and my daughter. And I think I got everything. Oh, and a little bit of water. Just a little bit, not much, just to help the juicing going, okay? So let's go. I already washed everything, so I'm gonna cut the ginger a little bit smaller to help the blending. I don't peel my ginger. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But the skin is just as powerful, in my opinion. So I don't peel it, but I washed it really nicely. I'm gonna use this to make sure that I get all the juice out of the lemon. You could use lime. This is what I have on hand, so I have. I am literally in a hurry. I was gonna juice it like that, and I really wanna drink it. So I'm gonna do this instead. How's everyone doing? Everybody's doing well. Thank you so much, my 92 subscribers. That is amazing. Let's get to 100. And then I'll try to do a giveaway. 100 subscriber giveaway. Alright. Put that in on the blender. Now let's cut our pineapple. It'll be a way bigger on this to cut this up. This is really white. It smells so amazing. This pineapple smells so good. And what I'm going to do with the pulp, I'm going to try to save it for a nice smoothie, maybe later on. So sweet. There you. See, I'm cutting it very small, and they're super sweet. Rainy day, and I have no plants. I'm eating it. Actually, this is my first time juicing, and I've learned to be honest. You guys did it before? I don't remember. But this time I don't remember because I have it on video. It's a rainy day today by me. I was rain when I'm home, but now I'm about to go on the road, you know what I mean? About to be home. I'm really about to eat this. Because that's sweet. Alright, let's get this going. A little bit of water just to facilitate the juicing. I'm not gonna add any sweetener at all. So let's cover this baby up and let's juice. So if you don't have a blender, this is for you. Looking like quite soupy. That's the best word I can use right now. Okay, I'm gonna strain it. Put it in the bowl. Put the strainer. Well, I'm not going to throw the pulp. Maybe I should have added more water. Maybe. If you don't have a juicer, this is it. This is how you make it. You could do cucumber, celery, you could do any juices like that. You just have to strain it, that's all. strain, 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 strain. And this is how I'm gonna continue. This is what it's looking like. Very thick consistency. This is just air bubbles in there. Make it look like that. But yeah, this is what it's looking like nice and thick. What it's looking like, really nice and thick and creamy. I just add a little bit of ice, but you could add sweetener if you like to. I would add honey or some turmeric in here, definitely. But yeah, this is not very sweet because my pineapple is super sweet, so it's not sour either. It's very nice and delicious and refreshing. Cheers.